Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you guys are having a very good day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you go live on TikTok. So let's just continue to TikTok app. After going to TikTok app, you can see in the bottom right icon profile. Click on it. Now you can see in the top right the three dash icon. Click on the three dash icon. You can see the third option, settings and privacy. Click on it. Now you need to scroll down and here you can see in support and about, report a problem. Click on it. Now you can see a direct message which is under follow, like, comments. Click on it. Now we need to click on other, the last one. Now click need more help. Here you can put your feedback. Just copy my feedback and submit it. After submitting the feedback, TikTok team will give you the feature between 1 to 3 days and you will get the feature. So guys, this is how can you go live on TikTok. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.